Hi, welcome back to video 2 in this series of showing you all the different roles for the offense in advanced stats football. In our first video, we talked about how the first role works, which determines play selection. And in our example, we had a pass. So let's go ahead and look at the pass plays. So if you're allowing the dice to decide, you've done your first roll, you determine it's a pass. Now you're going to roll 1 d10 die, and that number is going to tell you where the pass is going. So if it's a 1 to 3, it's short left. If it's a 4 to 5, 4 or 5, it's short middle. If it's a 6 or 7, then it's going to be short right. And then the D passes are 8, 9, and 10. So depending on what you roll with a single d10 die, tells you where the pass is going to go, and what direction, what depth that it goes as well. Let's go ahead and cover the next roll, which is the completion roll. So once you've determined, let's say we're going to throw it to the short middle. Let's say we rolled a 5 and we go to the short middle. Now we're going to roll 2 d10 dice. So you can see anytime there's an opportunity for up to 100, you're going to roll 2 d10s, and then you're going to combine the roll results to get the final roll result. So 1 to 68 for Tom Brady is going to be a completion short middle. That means he's a 68% completion rate across the middle, 0 to 15 yards. From 69 to 89 is going to be an incomplete pass. A 90 to a 94, so about a 5% chance, is going to kick over to the defensive sheet. So we actually have defensive cards that we use in the game as well, and this is where that kicks in. So if you rolled a 92, then you would refer to the defensive sheet for the outcome of the play. A 95 to a 97 for Tom Brady is going to be a sack. A 98, so he has a 1% chance for a fumble, and then a 2% chance for an interception. You can also have an interception through the defense as well. So there is this sort of a percentage of a percentage where you can get an interception that way as well. But just his regular interception rate is 2% without any sort of defensive intervention. So on the completion roll, you roll 2 d10s to determine, was it complete, incomplete, was it a defensive play that needs to go to the defensive card, is it a sack, fumble, or interception. So for our example, we'll say he rolled a 22, and a 22 is a completion. Excuse me. And so that means the pass over the short middle is complete, and we have to go on to the next roll, and the next roll determines the yardage for the play. That'll be it for this video, so move on to the next one to look at the yardage and how we determine both yards for the catch and yards after the catch.